So let's check out this ad from Evolutions MedSpa. It says, "Hey St. Louis, slim your double chin for just 147. Our advanced HIFU treatment targets sagging necks and fullness under the chin. No surgery or downtime required. Plus, get a free LED red light rejuvenation session to refresh and boost skin tone when you come in. Limited spots available, so click book now to schedule your appointment." Then we have the headline, which is no surgical neck lift, non-surgical neck lift, just 147. Okay, so the offer is solid, right? HIFU neck slimming for 147 plus a free bonus. That's a win. But here's where the ad starts to slip, right? And it leads with what the treatment is instead of why it matters. No surgery or downtime is mentioned, great, but there's no emotion behind it, right? No, imagine walking into the room like this moment, right? And the copy, right, it lacks urgency and sensory language. No words like tight, defined, lifted, or even confident. There's also, I love that there's local call that's introduced here, which is great. Hey, St. Louis, right? We can even do better than that. So let's rewrite this ad to make your scroll stopper feel like the answer to someone's deep insecurity. So I'm going to open up a new tab here in just a second. Let me take a screenshot of this ad. Only going to focus on the copy here in the headline, not worried about the video right now. Let me just grab that screenshot and put it here in my document so I have it as a reference point. And we are going to rewrite this ad for you. Alrighty, so all right, let's start with the copy. So we're going to say St. Louis, tired of that double chin that, start St. Louis, tired of that double chin stealing your spotlight, right? So we're calling out the city and instantly touching on a common insecurity. Get a sleeker jawline and tighter neck for just 147. No surgery needed. All right, so instead of focusing on the treatment, we focus on the outcome here. Our advanced HIFU tech targets fullness and sagging under the chin. Right now, we name the tech after the results are clear. Next, clients are loving the definition. They're seeing in just one visit. So this here tells them they're not the only one to book. I mean, they're not the only one booking, clients are loving. Plus, get a free red light rejuvenation. Facial to boost skin tone and glow. All right, so we're adding more value without complicating the offer. Picture smooth skin, a snatched neckline, neckline's one word, and confidence from every angle. So this paints the after picture with sensory-rich language. Only a handful of appointments left this month. We're making it feel like this won't be around long. It's non-invasive, quick, and you'll be in and out, no downtime. Lower the barrier to entry and anxiety, and we're going to remind them they deserve this, so you don't need a filter, just 30 minutes and a little self-love. And we're going to add in a frictionless social media native call to action that feels personal. So let's say comment chin and we'll DM you the booking link. All right. Now we're going to go in and add in our headlines. So instead of non-surgical neck lift for 147, we're going to say double chin slimming 147, and then snatched neck, no surgery needed. All right, and that's our copy and our headline. So let's review this. So it says St. Louis, tighter the double chin, stealing your spotlight. Get a sleeker jawline and tighter neck for just 147. No surgery needed. Our advanced HIFU tech targets fullness and sagging under the skin. Clients are loving the definition they're seeing in just one visit. Plus, get a free red light facial to boost skin tone and glow. Picture smooth skin, a snatched neckline, and confidence from every angle. Only a handful of appointments left this month. It's non-invasive, quick, and you'll be in and out. No downtime. You don't need a filter. You just need just 30 minutes, and a little self-love. Comment chin and we'll DM you the booking link. And headlines are double chin slimming, 147, a snatched neck, no surgery needed. All right, this rewrite flips the focus from we offer a treatment to you get a transformation. A transformation. We layer in emotional hooks, visual benefits, urgency, and a call to action that actually fits how people behave on social media. It's punchy, persuasive, and it makes booking feel like a no-brainer. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.